Welcome to this quick video where I show you how you can use certain resources that you can find online to help you with your academic writing. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can use the Article Design Canvas from the Academic Toolkit to help you plan and outline your paper. A typical paper outline is made up of the abstract, introduction, methodology and methods, results and discussion, conclusions, acknowledgements, and author contributions. Looking at the Article Design Canvas, we can see these different boxes. So the first three boxes relate to the introduction, then we have the methodologies and methods parts, results, and discussion. And then we have these three additional boxes that refer to different aspects of your paper as well. Okay, thinking about your introduction, you might want to consider some of these key questions to help you get started with your paper. Why are you doing this work? Why now? What's new? How do you know it's new? And make sure you set the scene and write for your targeted audience. When it comes to your methodology and methods part, you want to make sure that the reader knows what you did, why you did it, how you did it, and how did you know that this was the right thing to do. Make sure you also mention limitations and boundary conditions of your chosen methodology or method. Make sure you justify your approach and make it possible for others to use. So results and discussion sections can be written together or separately, but there are key things you should keep in mind. So for the results, you want to focus on your key findings, and you can maybe use them as a header, even if just for now. You then want to add your data, that can be your tables, your figures, graphs, whatever you have. And then you might want to start writing around those, explaining what you see, and make sure that as part of the results section, you're objective, no interpretation of your data at this point. When it comes to the discussion, you might want to look for a key reference for any of your kind of findings, and you maybe want to say if you agree or disagree with this reference. You also want to explain what your data, key findings, or themes mean, and this is where the interpretation of your data comes in. The conclusions are an important aspect of your paper, so make sure you do remind the reader of the question or the research problem you were trying to answer, and maybe think about the so what as well. Make sure you summarize your key results and focus on the main points and key messages. And then you want to finish with some implications and the wider impact of your research. How do you want people to think differently about something? What should they do differently? And how has your research compared or moved on previous research? And what further research does your research open up? And that's it in a nutshell, how to use the Article Design Canvas from the Academic Toolkit to help you plan and outline your paper.